Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is filter data table activity in UiPath. So which filters a data table by specifying conditions in the filter wizard window. So this activity can keep or delete rows or columns according to the logical conditions we specify in the wizard. So this is filter data variable activity, and when you click on this configure filter, this is a filter wizard. So I'm going to explain you what is the difference, what are the differences between this keep and remove. So we need to give the condition here. So in the column we need to give the index of the column, and in the operation we need to give the operation like less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, so is empty. So these are the operations we can select from here, and in this value field we need to give the value in the condition. So let me start with adding filter data table activity. So first I will delete everything and let me explain you from scratch. So here I have created, so or I have built a data table with some column names. So this is my data table of employee details, employee name, ID, company, salary, email ID and city. So in this task I am going to filter a row or a record by using these values. So in this data table I can filter these records based on the condition. So for example, if I want to filter this record, so I need to provide the value and operation in filter wizard. So for example, I am going to filter this record when the city is Chennai. Okay, so let me click on OK and click on this build data table activity, and here I have created an output data table. So and named it as dt out. So now I'm going to use filter data table activity under this, and I need to provide the input data table, so which is nothing but the output of this build data table activity. So in this data table I am going to filter, so I will give the data table name dt out. So after filtering the data I am going to save the filter records in the same data table. So I will give the same data table name. So and click on this configure filter to filter the records. So first I will show you with the option keep. So for example, let me give the column name is 5. So this column name is city. The index of this city column name is 5. Open this data table. So the index of the column city is 5 because the index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the index of this column is 5, and I am going to filter when the city is Chennai, it is going to filter this record. Click on configure wizard and I will give the index 5 when index is column is equals to, I need to give the value in this value field, and within quotations I will give the value Chennai. So it is going to filter this record. I will use this keep option now. So let me click on OK. Now after filtering I am going to display the filter data table in an Excel sheet. So I will use write range activity. So I need to provide the workbook path. Let me click on this folder icon. So this employee details Excel sheet is which I have created already, and this is an empty Excel sheet. Let me select this one, and I need to give the employee sheet name exactly. So I will just copy the sheet name from this workbook. So look at this is an empty Excel sheet, and its sheet name is employee data. So I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and in the UiPath Studio within the quotation I will copy the sheet name. So it is going to store the filtered data in this Excel sheet, and I need to pass the data table name dt out. And let me run this process now, and first close this, and now let me run this process. So task is done, and let me open this employee details Excel sheet. So here you can see the record which is filtered from that data table, and it is, when I select the option keep, it is displaying only that record, and when I choose the option remove, it will remove only this record from that data table, and it will print all remaining records in this Excel sheet. So let me explain you that one. I will delete this record and save it, and I will close this Excel sheet. Go to our UiPath Studio. Now I am going to show you what is this remove option. So when I select this remove option, see what the outcome will come. So click on OK and save this process again, or run this process again. So task is done, and now open the employee details Excel sheet. So now you can see this data except the city Chennai, it is printing the remaining records in this Excel sheet. So this is the difference between keep and remove options in filter wizard, filter data table. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.